My video guide is about removing the fake browser update alerts that come from the site Playoriginalextremelythefile.vip. Some people may suddenly see these scary messages mentioning that you need to install some updates that will supposedly help you to block ads. But in reality, interacting with these fake software or browser update alerts is very risky because these pop-ups by Playoriginalextremelythefile.vip actually promote certain potentially unwanted software like unwanted browser extensions. Initially, they say that you have a chance of blocking ads by installing these updates. But in reality, all such updates actually try to hijack your browser settings. So these are fake software update alerts, and you should not interact or install them. In case any of such fake updates were mistakenly installed, of course, your browser will be hijacked. A lot of settings of your browser will be changed, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL too. So, in case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures to remove any third-party extensions. Now you can clearly see that opening the blank tab reveals some other fake tab that we have not decided to use before, and when we submit some search queries we also get the results by some other unwanted search engines. So to fix these issues, you should go to the menu of your Google Chrome, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, disable and remove any third-party extensions which you might find here on the list. To make sure that your system is free of other concealed threats, I do recommend scanning with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. By going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.